Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how can you redeem rewards and cashback from Royal Bank of Scotland's credit card. Now, to redeem your reward and cashback from your Royal Bank of credit card, you can follow the steps. First of all, as they mentioned, to redeem your reward, you can log in into your My Reward account directly through your secure mobile banking app without setting up an account. Then you can log in into your app and scroll down to your account. Scroll down to your account list to where you'll see My Reward. Select Exchange Reward and you'll be navigating the reward site, and you'll be able to see your redemption options and to ease to follow the redemption instructions. Next thing, you will also follow all of these instructions that they've provided, so you can read out the article and follow it up. You can also find a link right on this page, so you could go and press this and follow the instructions that I mentioned earlier. So this way you can redeem rewards or cashback from your Royal Bank of Scotland's credit card. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.